Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another tutorial, and this time it is our wearable neutral daytime look, and it is inspired by Litshitbynayy. If you don't know her, she is a makeup artist on Instagram, and you can find the link in the description box. Also, please leave your feedback in the comment section down below.
To start off, I am brushing my brows by using upward motion in the front and then following the shape from the arch till the end. Then using a brown brow powder, I am filling up my brows. After filling up my brows, I am taking some concealer on an angled brush to carve out my brows. Then using a brush, I am blending out the concealer very well to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Afterwards, I am setting my crease with some compact powder to avoid creasing. Then using these foundation, I'll take 2 pumps from shade LF14 and 1 pump from LF01 to make my perfect shade. Then I'll apply concealer on the areas which I want to bring forward. Then I am blending it out with a blender. Afterwards, I'll set my face using an oil control compact powder. Moving on to eye, I am using light brown shade and applying it under upper crease area. Then on a pencil brush, I'll take a slightly darker brown shade and place it in my crease. Then I am going in again with the same blending brush which I used earlier to blend out any harsh lines. After that, I am applying some off-white shade on my lid. Then I am applying a small winged eyeliner. Then using a lash curler, I am curling up my lashes. After that, I am applying some mascara. After applying mascara, I am adding some falsies. Then I am applying white pencil in my waterline. Afterwards, I am highlighting my inner corner and brow bone. Then I will do the other eye off camera. Then I will apply bronzer, blush and highlighter as I always do. And for product details, you can check our Insta account. You can find the link in the description box. Then moving on to the lips, I am lining my lips using a maroon lip pencil and applying a nude pink lipstick. So this is the final look, guys. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please leave a like, comment and share it with your friends.